Welcome to our new video, The Heat is On, Top Destinations Experiencing Record Temperatures. In this video, we're going around the globe to discover how our planet is getting hotter and how it's affecting us. Get ready for an exciting journey from the scorching deserts of Arizona to the unusually warm expanses of Antarctica. We'll explore how the world's cities and natural environments are adapting to these extraordinary temperatures. So brace yourself as we dive deep into our increasingly warming world. 1. Death Valley, USA. Earth's furnace. Death Valley has long held a reputation as one of the hottest places on the planet. Tucked away in California, this expansive desert valley recorded an eye-watering 56.7 degree, 134 digs, back in 1913, holding the title for the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth. In recent years, the thermometer frequently flirts with 54 degrees, 129 degrees, casting this region as a natural oven on a colossal scale. The combination of its unique desert environment and warming atmospheric trends ensures that Death Valley remains a literal hotspot year after year. One can hardly imagine a more extreme test of human endurance in such scorching conditions. Unlike more hospitable climates, Death Valley's ceaseless sun and searing heat create a barren and stark landscape, testing each creature that tries to thrive there. 2. Phoenix, Arizona, USA. Urban heat amplifier. Phoenix, Arizona, a bustling urban center, has its unique claim to high-temperature fame. Known for its blistering summer heat, the city achieved a grueling record in 2023 by experiencing over 31 consecutive days where temperatures exceeded 43 digs, 110 digs. Beyond natural weather patterns, Phoenix is a textbook example of an urban heat island where human activity and infrastructure exacerbate already hot conditions. Concrete jungles and asphalt oceans reflect and magnify sunlight, upping the ante against climate change effects. These sweltering temperatures leave residents searching for shade and solutions to keep cool. The relentless Arizona sunshine certainly does not make things easier, as the surrounding desert air continues to scour the city with intense heat. 3. Sicily, Italy, Europe's heatwave apex. Sicily set tongues wagging in 2021 when it soared to 48.8 degrees, 119.8 degrees, marking the highest temperature ever recorded in Europe. Nestled in the embrace of the Mediterranean, this island isn't unfamiliar with warm summer days, but recent heat waves have tested its limits. Global warming combined with atmospheric changes spikes temperature gauges across southern Europe. As temperatures soar, Sicily's olive groves and vineyards suffer under the oppressive heat, challenging traditional farming techniques. The baking sun is no longer a mere summer feature. Instead, it's a force reshaping landscapes and lifestyles alike. This staggering temperature milestone underscores the intense climatic shifts Mediterranean regions are experiencing. 4. Baghdad, Iraq, the scorching city. In recent years, Baghdad has frequently seen its mercury rise above 51 degrees Celsius, 124 degrees. Renowned as a city of heat and history, its arid climate offers little reprieve from blistering heat waves. Baghdad experiences soaring temperatures courtesy of minimal vegetation cover and intense sun. The desert surrounds and limited green space magnify the severe heat profiles experienced here. While the Tigris River offers some solace, relentless temperature spikes stretch resources and endurance, turning the city into a cauldron under the midday sun. The juxtaposition of ancient history and modern challenges makes Baghdad's fight against soaring temperatures both existential and persistent. 5. Antarctica. Unusual warmth at the Antarctic frontier. Despite its icy moniker, Antarctica surprised the world in 2020 when it recorded its highest temperature at 18.3 degrees, 64.9 degrees. This might seem mild compared to desert environments, but for Antarctica it's an astounding leap. The rapid warming of polar regions is driven by melting ice and shifting ocean currents, sounding an alarm few can ignore. These temperature hikes disrupt normalcy for native species and ice packs alike, escalating concerns over rising sea levels. Antarctica's thawing heart challenges long-held perceptions of it being an untouched ice fortress. The continent's precarious dance with warming trends presents a clarion call for climate observance and action. 6. Delhi, India, battling the heat waves. Delhi, India's sprawling capital, reached a brutal 49.2 degrees, 120.6 degrees, in May 2022. The city dances on the knife's edge of extremes, encountering intense heat waves exacerbated by rampant urbanization and climate variability in South Asia. Delhi's concrete landscape and dense population mean escaping the heat is easier said than done. August's monsoon rains bring relief but also highlight the erratic climate challenges Delhi grapples with. The struggle between traditional city life and soaring temperatures highlights the urgent need for infrastructure adaptation. Under Delhi's blistering sun, daily routines persist, but with significant challenges that demand ingenious cooling strategies. 7. Shanghai, China. Urban meltdown in the east. Shanghai, China's economic powerhouse, exceeded 40 degrees, 104 degrees, during harsh heat waves in 2022 and 2023. Known for its fast-paced lifestyle, the city's urban heat island effect complicates already extreme weather patterns worsened by climate change. As skyscrapers pierce the skyline, they also intercept the sun's relentless gaze, amplifying heat across the city. Such temperatures challenge public health, transportation, and city infrastructure. It's a city balancing ambition with adaptation, as rising temperatures become a significant focal point for local authorities. The heatwave surges call for innovative cooling measures to keep this bustling metropole thriving in the face of rising thermometers. 8. Sydney, Australia. Heat down. Under Sydney faced unrelenting heat in 2019, as the mercury shot to 48.9 degrees, 120 degrees, during severe heat waves. Australia, with its vast and varied geography, is especially vulnerable to warming trends and erratic shifts in weather patterns. Bushfires and scorching heat act as potent reminders of the continent's climatic challenges. Within Sydney, the beachfront paradise transforms into sun-drenched stretches resembling blazing furnaces. Local flora and fauna struggle under the intense rays, requiring innovative resilience measures. Sydney's sun-kissed identity faces trials under increasingly harsh conditions, prompting urgent shifts in strategies to mitigate the sun's relentless assault. 9. Athens, Greece. Overheating in history's cradle. Athens touched 45 degrees, 113 degrees, in 2021 during devastating heat waves, illustrating the rising heat challenges Mediterranean regions face. Greece's rich cultural history and sunny reputation meet with a modern challenge as temperatures soar. The dry, dusty air mixes with urban sprawl, exacerbating conditions that stretch resources and energy grids. Ancient marble structures are now witness to modern climate struggles, echoing a city grappling with changes beyond its architecture. The Acropolis may continue to stand vigilant, but the city's demands for cooling measures and sustainable living are louder than ever. The combination of history and evolving climate pressures makes Athens' trajectory an intriguing blend of past meets present. 10. Tokyo, Japan. Heat in the land of the rising sun. Tokyo faced scorching challenges as temperatures exceeded 40 degrees, 104 degrees during recent summers, breaking local records. An emblem of urbanization, this megacity battles rising global temperatures compounded by vast metropolitan growth. Tokyo's iconic skyline and infrastructure groan under the weight of sweltering summers, prompting measures to keep the populace cool. The impacts ripple through public life, influencing everything from transport schedules to energy consumption. While technological innovation remains Tokyo's strong suit, its adaptation strategies must evolve alongside its rising temperatures. The heat, much like its growth, drives an urgent narrative for change in Japan's bustling heart.